So should you be using a Kajabi Scheduler or some third-party tool to book your client calls when using the Kajabi platform? I'm going to answer this question and more as we deep dive into the Kajabi Scheduler and how to use it. But before we jump in, I want to make you an offer. I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform. That's over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. You can head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and get access to your account today. And as a thank you for using my link, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. This is the program that I wish I had when I started my Kajabi journey. And that's just one of the awesome bonuses that I offer. More on those bonuses towards the end of this video. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to showcase the Kajabi Scheduler, then I need to go into my live Kajabi account and into one of my coaching products. Now, it is a question I do get asked. Do you use the Kajabi Scheduler? Do you use Calendly? Do you use third-party scheduling tools when you're booking sessions with clients? And for me, I'm a bit of a Kajabi purist. If there is a function within Kajabi to use, I will test it out first. And if it works, I will use that. But if it doesn't, then I would use a third party. But here I'm just in one of my coaching programs here, and I've just gone to settings. So the first thing you need to do is set your availability. So this is crucial. You have an option here. The first setting is your day. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then within those days, so you can select a day. So Sunday, I've got no availability. Saturday, no availability. But Monday through Friday, I've got 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Now, if you didn't want to have such a big open window, you can set multiple availability. So just drop down and select the time that you want that window to shut, and then add another availability within that same day and open it and close it. And if you wanted to add a third, it's entirely up to you. But what I like to do is, first of all, I'll show you why in a second, keep a big open window for this set, and then do exactly the same all the way through the week, Monday through Friday. Then the start time increments, I have this at every 30 minutes. Again, it's entirely up to you. If people want to start on the half an hour, that's fine. Then open date range, 9 weeks. So people can book me 9 weeks out. Then the session limits, I'm going to add some buffer time here. So 15 minutes before and 15 minutes after. They can't book me right up to another meeting. So I'm going to have a little bit of buffer time before and after that meeting. You can toggle this on or off. And then minimum notice, I like to be notified 24 hours before somebody books in. So I don't wake up and I think, oh, I've got a call today in the morning or the afternoon. So I like to have 24 hours notice, 1 full day's notice. So then you scroll down to the calendar, and this is the calendar that I've connected. So I've connected my Google Calendar, and then I use the Kajabi Scheduler. Now you have to identify which calendar within Google, or you can use Microsoft Office 365, Outlook, iCloud Calendar, and I also have added Calendly. So I have connected my Calendly up, but more often than not, I am just using Google Calendar. So it's cutting out that third-party tool. So Google Calendar and Kajabi sync up really well. So in order to show you this, I'm going to go straight into a live coaching program. Now, this individual's had 11 out of 12 sessions. You've just remembered to inform the member before you hit record. And then all you need to do is go into schedule session. And then this is going to give me either you do it for them or they go in and schedule the session depending on the settings. Then they will go and see when my next availability is. Because I've given it that big window from 8 till 8, they can book me all the way up to 8 p.m. So it's entirely up to you how you want to run this. Very important, make sure that you have the time zone within your Kajabi set to your local time, and this time zone is reflecting that. If your client is on a different time zone, it will set to their local time and they can book in. So if I am in London and I only open a short window, if someone's in North America, they might not find a window that suits for them. It might be too early for them. So that's why I keep a really big window. But I also like to discuss at the end of a call, I like to have that conversation to identify a time that suits both of us for the next call, usually a couple of weeks later. And then I will manually come in here at the end of that call and book in the next one. That's just something I like to do. Now, if you see here, if I was to select, where are we today? 3rd of October. If I was to to select the 6th of October, it would give me these times. But if I was to go into my calendar, and as you can see here, I've got keep free until 5 p.m. So if I just drag that all the way down to 8 p.m. and then I come back in here, it does take a little bit of time to synchronize. So if you can't find an available slot within this Kajabi scheduler, and then you go to your calendar and then make an availability, it won't reflect immediately. So give it a little bit of time and then refresh that page, click schedule again. And as you can see, the 6th is now unavailable because I've taken it all the way up to 8 p.m. So that individual can't book me on the 6th. But then the next one is 7th and 8th and 9th and so on. So it all depends on the calendar that you've linked up will determine the availability within the Kajabi scheduling tool. So that's how I set up my coaching programs, just using the Kajabi scheduler linked directly into my calendar. So there we have it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you can identify something that you can take action on. So as a reminder, I can get you an extended 30-day trial of the Kajabi platform if you wanted to take it out for a spin. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. That is over double the 14-day trial available to the public just by using my link. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means if you continue past those 30 days free trial and you become a paying customer of Kajabi like me, part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. And when you become a paying customer of Kajabi and go past those 30 days, as a second thank you from me, I'm going to offer you a second program. It's called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'll grant you access. Within this product, you'll be able to download templates in a zip file and upload them into your Kajabi. And these are the sales page templates that I use in my business today. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the awesome bonuses that I do offer on that page. Hopefully you got massive value from this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the very next one.